Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today I show you how to analyze generalized linear mixed model on SPSS software. To analyze the data which is found in Excel sheet in this way, this is my raw data. There is different variables and different under different variables there are different quantitative data. So there is time, farm type, series number in the farm, location of the farm, altitude, harvesting or wood harvesting, grazing, tree cutting, slashing, mountain, pass, water, and prevalency or disease prevalency. In case of me, I use the farm type as independent variables. There are four farm types, 1, 2, 3, 4 farm types, and the prevalency, which is the dependent variables. So when I come to SPSS to do generalized linear mixed model in SPSS software, first we have to arrange our data on Excel sheets. Then we open the SPSS software. Then under that, under SPSS, we open file. Then open data. Under data type there is file types. The type of file in case of me is in Excel sheets. So in Excel sheet, when I convert the SPSS file to Excel sheet, my file appear on this data box. Then open. Okay, when I say opening Excel data source sheet. So there is a worksheet. Under this worksheet, I have to identify the pathology. Then my data range on Excel is from A1 up to M81. So I click, I write A1 semicolon M81. Then I click on OK. Here is my data on SPSS. Data view, there is data view and variable view. Under variable view, there are different name of data, type of data, width, decimal, label, value, missing value. All these as a measurement. All these are the variable view. The data view looks like this. After I enter my data into SPSS software, I go to the analysis. Under analysis, there is mixed model. Under mixed model, there are generalized linear mixed model. When I click on generalized linear mixed model, it comes. There are different options: data sources, field, and effects. Build option, model option. Under data sources, I drag farm type into the subject or the independent variables. My independent variable in this case is farm type. Then I go to field and effects. Under field and effects, there are targets. My targets in this study are prevalency or the disease prevalency. The disease prevalency. When I click on this, then the target distribution and the relationship or link with the linear models are the gamma ray regressions. Then I back to the fixed effect. Under fixed effect, there are different fields and effect builders. Under effect builders, there are main data or the different variables which is found under this. So I drag all data into under the main effect is the location. Now the location, the altitude, wood harvesting, grazing, tree cutting, slashing, mountain, pass, water. Then under build option, there are two options which is under tests of fixed effect and coefficients. Under this, we click on use of robust estimation to handle violation of model assumption. Then I go to model option. Under model option, there are different categorical based terms. The estimate means under this, I click on this button. So I click on all. Then display estimated mean in terms of link function. I wanted to display my data in link function transformation. Then I put all my data in normal distribution ways. Then I click on run. Please wait some minute. It is on processing. My data analysis is on processing. Then here is the output: generalized linear mixed model result. From this result, when I click on this, so this is the fixed effect variable results. So there is a site number, the passes, and also display effect with significant value less than 95 or 5%. When I convert this into table, here is the fixed effect, which is target. My target is disease prevalences. So there is a source of different data models, which is a correct model, F ratio, degree of freedom, and the significance at 95%. Here is under this, there is one significant data, which is grazing at 95%. Grazing is significant. So when I come to this, this shows the fixed coefficient, the fixed coefficient. So here, this is in diagrams. When I convert this data into table form, it looks like this. There is model terms, coefficient, standard error, t-test, significance, or the 95 significance confidence interval in lower and upper limits. Under this, also grazing is significant at 95%. Then we can show our result in different methods in graph forms. There is estimated mean of grazing, which is found in this graph or in this line graph forms. Then there is a table to display this. This is a final of our data result, which is analyzed by using as SPSS software. There are farm types, there are mean, standard error, 95-degree confidence interval, the upper limit and the lower limit. So we can take this data into different interpretation. For interpreting our data, we use this the mean state of the grazing land to interpret our disease prevalency. So there are also different options. When we click on here this form, these options, there are different generalized linear mixed model. So generalized linear mixed model predicts the continuous or categorical target based on one or more predictor. So under data structure, so we used repeated covariance types, field and effect. Under field and effect, there are targets. Our targets are disease prevalency. So the use of number of TRL demonstrator, categorized reference categories, distribution, link function is log, fixed effect. So there are fixed effects of different variables. The build options, our build options, it may be confidence interval level is 95%, maximum interaction is 100%, the degree of freedom is residual. Test of fixed effect and the coefficient robust training summary. When we see the training summary, under this, we look by what method we analyze the data, by what models. The model I used for this data is generalized linear mixed model. The record used for this training is 79 items. Model type classification, application of this for analyzing this data, the application of SPSS statistical version 20 is used. Then data build. This output is done on February 19, 2022. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, you click on like and then subscribe my channel. I come back with other videos, especially on R software, which is the current, and how to analyze a simple regression in using model using R. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.